Natural building to me encompasses everything from building a good relationship with the client through to delivering them what I call a bio-harmonic home. So the characteristics of a bio-harmonic home would be something that was exactly in balance with nature. We know that when people walk in, if you've got an open fire, oh, I love an open fire. There are certain things that we can sense even when we don't see them with our eyes or hear them. We just know it's right for us, and generally that's when we're fitting in with the planet. We all love outside, we love going camping, this sort of thing. So in a truly bio-harmonic home, you would walk in and you would go, I don't know what it is about this place, but I just love it. And that's when everything is in harmony, everything is in balance, you're surrounded by natural materials, the house is breathing, just like your favourite coat. So the kind of materials that we work with are, first of all, we try and use local materials wherever possible, natural materials wherever possible as well. So we use a lot of untreated timbers. There's a number of them available to us in New Zealand. We use earth building quite a lot. We do a lot of rammed earth, a little bit of mud brick. There's earth plasters as well. So there are lots of natural materials available to us. Some of them can come from overseas, but they're what we call higher and embodied energy, so it costs a little more energy-wise to get them here, but you can get good natural materials from overseas. When you're handling some earth, or when you're handling an untreated piece of timber, you can feel it, you can tell, and it actually makes for a happier day. Deep inside us, everyone cares about the environment to different levels. So someone might come knowing what they want, knowing what they care about. Others may have read in a magazine something like there is such a thing as outgassing of formaldehyde, or they've picked up a clue. So what they do is they come, they sit down, they talk with me for a while, and I draw them a bigger picture, and then they can decide on which direction they want to take that. The most important thing, of course, is a healthy environment to bring up your family. So we can go from the obvious things of not subjecting your family to electro-stress to the deeper things that people might care about, where you get into the more subjective ideas of things like cosmic energy and geopathic stresses, for instance. I just love it. I mean, to have a piece of natural timber in your hand, smell, feel, and know that it's okay, that you're doing the right thing. And the same with earth. There's something about holding a piece of earth that is natural to us, that pushes buttons inside that bring me right back to when I was a child. Commercial work is an aspect that we've really just started to consider at BioBuild, and indeed we've had a couple of good opportunities come our way for things like feature rammed earth panels in a commercial office environment. And at the moment we're doing some research and development around rammed earth tables in a restaurant. We'll also be looking to introduce earth plasters and that kind of thing, and also specialised natural finishes. So if you're considering a build and you'd like to consider natural house building, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.